Hey, so if your emails are not being received from Mailchimp, yeah, like you sent a campaign but the user never got it, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, ask the recipient to check their spam or junk folder. I mean, emails often land there instead of the inbox. Next, yeah, go to your Mailchimp dashboard and confirm the email was successfully sent. I mean, pending or failed sends won't arrive. Now, make sure your sending domain is verified. I mean, unverified domains can cause delivery failure. Yeah, SPF and DKIM records help email providers trust your messages. I mean, without them, emails may never reach inboxes. Now, confirm the recipient's email address is correct. I mean, small typos mean the email will never arrive. Yeah, invalid or inactive emails can affect delivery rates. I mean, clean lists improve inbox success. Now, spammy words, too many links, or poor formatting can reduce delivery. I mean, keep emails clean and natural. Yeah, sometimes MailChimp itself may have issues. I mean, server downtime can delay email delivery. If nothing works, test sending to another email address. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is specific to one user. So yeah, that's how you fix MailChimp email not received issues. Most of the time, it's authentication, spam filtering, or list quality. Try these steps, and your emails should start arriving properly. Thanks for watching.